Welcome, and today we'll unbox a brand new shiny pair of shoes. They're Air Maxes. It's the Air Max LTD 3, size 11. Bought these out of eBay for $98 plus little tax and free shipping, which I thought was a really good deal because online on Nike.com I think they go for 120 or 130 if I'm not mistaken. So the item was verified that it's authentic from eBay, and yeah, let's start this and we'll go step by step. And so the box that the shoes come in is of okay quality, nothing really fancy, just a box. But I don't really care about the box. I care what's inside the box, and I think most people like the smell and idea of having brand new shoes. So here they are, and this is the card that eBay provides, that it is authentic and authenticity guaranteed. I'm not sure why they do it, but I guess there's counterfeits from the sellers. Anyway, those are all white. There's 4 different colors I think available on Nike.com if I'm not mistaken, but I like the white shoe, and yeah, here they are. So what can I say about Nikes? This is my, I don't know how many pairs of Nikes I've had over the years, and I always come back just for simple reason that they really are of really high quality. I mean, you can see and you can feel how much is being put into these shoes. They are all leather. I'm assuming, yeah. So this is all leather. The soles are obviously rubber, and here's the pattern. I've tried them on a little bit, so there's some of that over there. But yeah, this is the sole, and it's it's really sturdy. And they make that sound when you walk, of brand new rubber. What can I say about the quality? More of the quality. Well, they are superb. I mean, Nike really do make really good shoes, and this is the pair that you can see that they are of really good quality. This is size 11. Let's see here. So they come in with with a little paper ball, I guess you can say, that kind of helps to keep the shoe up. Inside is just a regular material, and so you can really feel when you put the shoe on how comfortable they feel on your foot once you wear them. So outside, like I mentioned before, this is all leather. This Nike logo, or Nike swoosh, I think they call it, is a little shiny. I'm not sure if it's leather, maybe some sort of a I'm not sure. I'm not gonna say anything, but as you can see, it really shines. And I bet when the sun will hit it, they will be shining even more. Let's see. Yeah, so both shoes come with those paper bowls, so whatever you want to call them. Yeah. What can I say? These are really good. The quality you can see and feel, and they smell good, man. I mean, brand new shoes, they always smell good. And these are no exception. And these look like they will, give you at least a year or two, or even more, before you have to replace them. I know they will turn a little, dark. They will not be as white, but you can always wash them and they will continue serving you for a year or two, or maybe even more. I hope you like this, this review, and go get a pair.